So, how do you actually make money with your camera? I remember asking myself that exact question. I was about 16 years old, just picking up the camera for the first time and realizing that I was having the idea that maybe I could make money with this. First and foremost, it's a passion like it is for many of us. Like probably for you, you picked it up because you enjoyed it, you wanted to create something, you wanted to create art. And that's why you get started. But then, at some point in your journey, probably you will ask yourself, maybe I can actually do this for a living. And that's what hit me at the end of high school. I was like, can I actually make money doing this? And I realized like, okay, it's actually a possibility. I can actually do it. So I had to figure out how to do it. And I went through a turmoil of experiences trying to make money with your camera, as I think many freelancers do. And at the end of the day, I had to realize that, okay, some things I do for passion and some things I do for profit. Like you don't make money with every single thing you do with your camera. Some things you just do for fun. Right now I'm in Kenya shooting a passion project, I was doing some wildlife photography, and that's just for fun. When I come home, I'm going to actually make money. And how do I do that? I guess that's why you're watching this video. So the reason or the way I make money with my camera is basically through two different income streams. It's shooting events and it's doing social media content. That is the two main ways I actually make a living with my camera in 2026. And it's a way that I found that I can basically keep a good balance between passion and profit, do what I love, but at the same time actually make money with it and still not having to work more than, let's say, five hours a day or so. So if you're looking to make money with the camera, those are two things you can look into. But the reason I'm making this video is not just to say that, because that's the easy answer. The thing we need to look at is, why is that actually paying us? Why is that the thing that makes money? And if we can crack the code on that and actually learn that, we can then sort of reverse engineer it and put that same mentality into other areas and learn how to make money in other ways as well. So that's a lot of fancy words, but what I mean is that if you understand the fundamental basics behind a business like photography and videography, you can then apply those same basics to basically any other area, and you can continue to make money even if, let's say, social media retainers stopped working because of AI or whatever, or events don't need photography or whatever, you can still make money. So there's a couple basic fundamentals when it comes to business and making money with photography. I would say the first one is realizing value versus price. Realizing that I can shoot a photo of my cousin's birthday party for, $200, but why isn't he paying me $2,000 like a big event would? Now I'm doing the same exact service, so why am I not getting paid the same for those two events? Now it's about realizing the value in the eyes of the client. So if you're shooting a birthday party, what is the value there? Okay, they're getting some good photos, they're saving some memories. Of course it's worth something, but it's not a tangible outcome connected to it. But if you're shooting, let's say, a big conference with, big speakers, like I literally shot a conference like Elon Musk and the crown prince of Norway and a lot of these famous people. And why did they pay me thousands of dollars to shoot that? Well, because next time they have this event, they need good photos, they need good videos. And if they actually have that, they will be able to sell more tickets, and more tickets for them could literally mean millions of dollars. So the point I'm trying to make is that you need to realize who are actually willing to pay a lot of money for your services, because it gives them a lot of value in return. So if you can reverse engineer sort of the value process, or like basically what is actually valuable here, then you can basically understand the basics of business, and then reverse engineer it, you understand it, then you can apply it to your business and really understand how to make money in multiple different ways. The same with social media retainers. Like I can make a cool video for my friend and he will be, dope, I'll pay you $50. Or I can make a cool video for this conference or a big restaurant chain, etc., as I do, and it will result in thousands of views for them, hundreds of clients, and basically probably thousands or millions of dollars in profit. So therefore they are willing to pay me thousands of dollars. So you have to sort of understand from the client's perspective, reverse engineer the whole process and realize where the actual value is. And by doing that, you can actually make more money and continue to make more money and build yourself a sustainable business. That's what I wanted to say in this video. Basically, try to reverse engineer the value process and understand where the money is actually coming from when you are a photographer and a freelancer. It's absolutely key if you want to make money. If you thought this was helpful, check out the first link in the description. There you can see a free community called Lens Profit. In there we have live calls. We have a 14-video mini masterclass breaking down exactly how I built my business as a freelancer in 2026. And basically I'm teaching everything I know. So check it out if you're interested. Would love to see you in there. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you're interested to see more. Check out the profile. Would love to see you make your freelance dream a possibility. Good luck with everything. See you soon. Take care.